Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi, I'm Rishit. Hope you are very well. Today I'm talking about 6 visiting places in Bhubaneswar. Let's go. Number 1. Lingaraj Temple. Lingaraj Temple is the Hindu temple dedicated to Shiv and is one of the oldest temple in Bhubaneswar. The Lingaraj Temple is the largest temple in Bhubaneswar. The central tower of the temple is 180 feet tall. The temple has an average of 6,000 visitors per day and receives lakhs of visitors during festivals. Number 2. The Regional Museum of Natural History. The Regional Museum of Natural History, India, with exhibits on plants, animals and geology of the eastern region of India. The eastern and northern eastern India and the Andaman and Nicobar islands of India. The galleries emphasize the conservation of nature and natural resources while depicting ecological interrelationship among plants and animals. Number 3. Udaygiri and Khandari Caves. Udaygiri and Khandari Caves, formerly called Katak Caves, are partly natural and partly artificial caves of archaeological, historical, and religious importance near the city of Bhubaneswar in Odisha. Udaygiri means Sunrise Hill and has 18 caves, while Khandagiri has 15 caves. The most important of the group is Rani Gufa in Udaygiri, which is the double-storied monastery. Number 4. Tribal Museum. Museum of Tribal Arts and Artifacts is a museum in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, inside the camps of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Research and Training Institute. It is popularly known as Tribal Museum, labeled as Museum of Man. It has sections which showcase tribal artifacts and objects, focusing on well-researched, documented cultural life of tribals of Odisha. Number 5. Odisha and State Museum. Odisha State Museum is a museum in Bhubaneswar. In its original form, it was established in 1932 and later moved to the current building in 1960. The museum is divided into 11 sections: archaeology, epigraphy, numismatic, armory, meaning and geology, natural history, art and craft, contemporary art, Pada painting, anthropology, and farm. Number 6. Nandakanan Zoological Park. Nandakanan Zoological Park, it was opened to the public in 1979 and became the first zoo in India to join World Associations of Zoos and Aquariums in 2009. It also contains a botanical garden, and part of it has been declared to sanctuary. That's all.